Hi friends, welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I am going to explain about what is technical debts, types of technical debts with few examples, and how to manage the technical debts in the Agile projects. Knowing about the technical debt is very important for the Scrum Master, development team, and the product owners to plan and improve the product quality. Let us understand what is technical debt. Technical debt refers to the cost incurred when a development team chooses a quicker, easy, or less optimal solutions rather than more time-consuming or detailed solution. Tech debts will be introduced when the team plans to deliver the features fastest but creates long-term challenges that may be addressed later. Debt term is used like a financial debt. This will accumulate over the time of the code. The team should do the repayment in the form of additional work or rework later. In Agile projects, technical debt introduction is normal as the team will focus on rapid delivery of the product. It's very important for the Agile team to know the technical debts in the project and address them on regular basis to avoid the issues in the project. Now let's understand about the types of technical debts with a few examples. Tech debts are categorized into 5 types. Let's understand each type now. The type 1 is deliberate technical debt. This tech debt will occur intentionally because the team wants to meet a deadline or deliver a feature quicker with the shortcuts. For example, team uses a basic or non-optimal database schema in order to launch the minimum viable product. So the team decided to do the project quickly by knowing that some of the things can be done in a better way. So this is called deliberate technical debt. The second one is accidental technical debt. These technical debts will occur when the code is written without sufficient planning, testing, design, or long-term perspective. For example, team implements a feature rapidly but without following proper coding standard or design approaches. So the team planned to give a quick solution without following the standards. So this may happen accidentally or unknowingly. So this is one type of technical debt. The third type of technical debt is outdated technical debt. These tech debts will arise from not keeping up the technology advancements or due to the old code or frameworks or libraries that are not updated in the product. For example, a mobile app continues to use an older version of the Android or iOS SDKs, which limits its functionality and performance. So this is related to outdated library code or the technology. So based on that, we may need to spend more time in future to address this debt. So this is the outdated technical debt. The fourth type of the debt is inadvertent technical debt. This debt incurred unintentionally, often due to lack of knowledge or oversight during the development process. For example, developer writes a script to automate a process without considering long-term scalability or maintenance, which later creates performance bottlenecks. So this is called inadvertent technical debt. The fifth type is bit rot. This tech debt is known as software rot. This will occur when a system's performance or maintainability degrade over time as a result of changes or additions that are made without proper refactoring or testing. For example, over time, as features are added to the system, the architecture becomes increasingly difficult to scale or modify. So if the team is not planning the long-term performance or maintainability during the design or the development, This will lead to bit rot technical debt. So these are all the 5 types of technical debts we can consider or need to address. So now I will explain about the approaches to manage and address the technical debts. We can follow 5 different approaches to manage and address the technical debts. Let's understand all these 5 approaches. The first approach is refactoring. Include refactoring as a part of the backlog to address them. This can be prioritized based on the impact on the project. For example, during the sprint planning, the team can allocate some time to clean up the code or improve the existing code or the architecture. So this is called refactoring approach. The second approach is technical debt story. We can create specific backlog item or the user story to tackle the technical debts. This allows the team to track and prioritize the technical debts in the sprint goal. For example, the team can create a story such as refactor legacy authentication module or upgrade dependencies in project or upgrade the specific library in the code. So these are all the examples of technical debt user story. Okay, this is the second approach to address the technical debts or manage the technical debts in the agile projects. The third approach is definition of done. Team can add technical debt reduction in the definition of done document. This approach will help the team to control the technical debt increase in each sprint. For example, the team can define that all new code must have unit testing, not increasing the technical debt in the sprint based on the report given by the tools like SonarQube. The fourth approach is monitoring and retrospective. Team can talk about the technical debt number during the retrospective meetings and monitor the report and control the debt increase in each sprint. The fifth approach is automated testing. Team can implement the automated testing to catch errors early and prevent issues that could accumulate into significant technical debt over time. So these are all the 5 approaches the team can follow to manage and address the technical debt in the agile projects. Technical debt is a double-edged sword in agile. While it may help to meet the deadlines and deliver features quickly, it should be carefully managed to avoid long-term negative consequences. A balance between speed and quality is key, and using tools like refactoring, proper backlog management, and retrospectives will help to ensure that technical debt does not overwhelm the project. Hope this video is useful to you. If you like this content, please click the like button and leave your comments for this video. Please subscribe to this channel to get notification about future videos. Thank you.